Hi, I'm Marcus from the Troubadours. How do I say that? Today, we're going to be talking about the most common sound in English. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's like in the word computer, survival. And an exam is a way to measure your level. These are all words that contain the sound. To pronounce the sound, you relax your mouth and express air. So, can you find the sound in this sentence? Almost. How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? We have the sound after how, about a cup of tea. So we've changed the vowel sounds into an This makes it easier to say. How about a cup of tea? Yes, thank you. If you enjoyed this, why not check out some more on our channel?